Go.
Sydney stretching. Her morning stretching. Oh. Are you waking up? Life's tough. Life's tough. Aww. Yeah. He's smiling. Do it again. Give us a smile. Give us a smile.
Or just pass out.
Hey, wake up. Wake up. Stretch, 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 stretch. My little rag doll. Instead of Sydney Ann, we should have named her Raggedy Ann. Come on. Come on. Wake up. Hey. Hey, little girl. I tickle your chin. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Is it tickle? Tickle your sides. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Nothing. Her eyes almost opened.
So we can get a real close up here. Oops.
Hey, sweet girl. Come on.
All right.